Welcome to Subhiksham channel. Once upon a time, Sri Krishna and Arjuna went for a short stroll around the city. They saw a poor looking priest begging. Arjuna felt pity at him and he gave him a bag full of 100 gold coins. The priest became very happy and thanked Arjun. He left for his home. On the way, he saw another person who needed help. The priest could not spare a coin or two to help that person. However, he chose to ignore him. But on the way to his home, one thief robbed him of his bag of coins and ran away. The priest became detached and went back again for begging. Next day again, when Arjuna saw the same priest begging, and he was surprised that after getting a full bag of coins, which can last a lifetime, the priest was still begging. He called the priest and asked him the reason for this. The priest told him about the whole incident, and Arjuna felt pity at him. So he gave him a diamond this time. The priest became very happy and left for the home. And he again saw someone who needed help, but he chose to ignore him again. Upon reaching home, he safely put the diamond in an empty pot of water with a plan to cash it out later and live a wealthy life. His wife was not at home. He was very tired, so he decided to take a nap. In between, his wife came home and picked up that empty pot of water, walked towards a river close by to fill up the water. She did not notice a diamond in the pot. Upon arriving at the river, she put the whole pot into the running river water to fill it up. She filled up the pot, but the diamond was gone with the water flow. When the priest woke up, he went to see a pot and asked his wife about the diamond. She told him she had not noticed it and it must have been lost in the river. The priest could not believe his bad luck and again started begging. Again, Arjuna and Sri Krishna saw him begging and Arjuna inquired about it. Arjuna felt very bad and started thinking, if this priest will ever have a happy life. Sri Krishna, who is the incarnation of God, smiled. Sri Krishna gave that priest one coin, which was not even enough for buying a lunch or a dinner for one person. Arjuna asked Sri Krishna, Lord, I gave him gold coins and a diamond, which could have given him a wealthy life, yet it did not help him. How will just one coin help this poor guy? Sri Krishna smiled and told Arjuna to follow that priest and find out. On the way, the priest was thinking that one coin Sri Krishna gave him, he cannot even buy a lunch for one person. Why would he give so little? He saw a fisherman who was getting a fish out of his net. Fish was struggling. The priest felt pity at the fish. He thought, this one coin would solve my problem. Why not I save that fish? So the priest paid the fisherman and took that fish. He put the fish in a small pot of water which he always carried with him. The fish was struggling in the small pot of water, ended up throwing out a diamond from the mouth. The priest screamed with joy, I got it, I got it. At that same point, the thief who had robbed the priest's bag of 100 gold coins was passing through there. He thought that the priest recognized him and may get him punished, so he got nervous and ran to the priest. He apologized to the priest and returned his bag full of gold coins. The priest could not believe what just happened. Arjuna saw all this and said, O Lord, now I understood your play. Moral: when you have enough to help others, don't let that chance go. Your good deeds will always be repaid to you. Thank you.